Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick full 2026 guide, I'll show you how to delete folders in Outlook and clean up your mailbox without any confusion. First, open Outlook on your computer or your browser. On the left side, you'll see your list of folders, things like inbox, sent, drafts, and any custom folders you created. Now, find the folder you want to delete. Right-click on it, and a small menu will pop up. Here, choose Delete Folder. Outlook will ask you to confirm just to make sure you don't remove something by mistake. Click Yes or Delete to continue. If the folder doesn't delete, it might contain protected items or be a default Outlook folder. In that case, make sure the folder is not syncing, not shared, and not a system folder like Inbox or Sent. If you're using Outlook Web, the process is almost the same. Hover over the folder, click the three dots, or right-click, then select Delete. Confirm it, and the folder disappears instantly. That's it. Your Outlook is now a little cleaner and much easier to manage. Oh, and thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more easy Outlook and email guides.